I promise you guys I've got more of my 23 F250 videos coming. Just got a little bit busy. This is the Ford Performance exhaust. I was going to do a test on, quick test for you. This will be a cold start. I did take the vehicle out at lunch. This is right before I leave to go home from work. So it may not be 100% cold start, but just want to show you a little bit about the exhaust. And I'll get you guys a little bit better video clips. But this is a Ford Performance exhaust made by Borla. It bolts on right after that small resonator and replaces everything from the muffler back. So it gets rid of that large muffler and it gets rid of that small resonator that normally sits right in this section. One thing I do like about this is it's two pipes out, so it actually looks like a dual pipe around that section there. Yeah, there's cheaper exhausts, but I really wanted the Ford Performance exhaust. And those are black chrome tips. It's a little bit dirty right now. And they look a little bit nicer and easier to clean than flat black. So that's why I went with it. I'm gonna stand right here and try to do the cold start for you. So you can hear too after it's calmed down. It's got a nice tone to it also while you're driving. I've really enjoyed this exhaust. It's not too loud, it's not too quiet, and I like that it's a Ford Performance exhaust. Like I mentioned, you can find some cheaper exhaust, but the problem is I've worked in the automotive industry before. You cut that factory muffler off, just bolt any just cheap muffler on, and you may be losing horsepower even if you don't know it. I'm pretty confident that Ford and Borla wouldn't have designed this exhaust to have you lose horsepower. So you can get sound if that's all you're looking for, but I wanted to be able to put something on here also knowing that Ford's not going to be able to try to change my warranty or anything like that just because I put an exhaust on there. This is the 7.3 Godzilla, in case you're wondering. It's pretty tame with the factory exhaust on, so that's kind of why I wanted to change this thing out. Originally I had just put a tip on there and it did look good. It was a black tip, but I just wanted that a little bit extra sound. And this thing's not annoying on the highway or anything. I haven't done any heavy towing, so I can't really speak to what it's going to do there, but I really have enjoyed it. If you're interested in this thing, I'll have a part number in the description below. But it is on the Ford Performance website, and there are some aftermarket retailers that are selling this exhaust as well. Hopefully this video was useful or helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe and share, and that's to the point.